Oi, careful not pray for you. Careful not pray for. Last time, I go to bed and I say, God, I make it do. Remove everything in my life that cause me problem. Amen. And when I go sleep, I wake up and check that one piece. You can't find me hoodie. You can't find me hoodie about my glad.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Ragga Ruggy TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Yo, Vybz Kartel. You feel like say me and play with you, but I'm tell you this, man, I play with you. Cause you them forget what they do. Here. The whole like jail of them a listen for you sing a song about jail. And the pressures of jail. When you follow the road where you listen for hear you sing about the experience, so you did experience in a jail. Not for glorify jail, not for glorify badness.
Yo, people, why not stop from talk me in a Vybz Kartel and Aisha and a boring performance? What is wrong with uno people? When time some other artists are perform some good performance, you not tag me, bro, but every minute somebody attack me in a Vybz Kartel and Aisha and a lame. Your performance is lame. Why not try to do? Turn me in a dancehall judge. The performance is lame. Since that, you know what I said, the performance. It don't make no sense. Me done telling her already, bro. Aisha and her career is not going nowhere. Me don't know why Vybz Kartel like you are. Is it a Vybz Kartel go use Aisha and flap out Phoebe career or something? But yo, people no stop tag me in a. Who you want to know you? Since performance lame, you don't know to. That's why I not tag me. When you don't see people are perform good, you not tag me. Was you don't see one look a lame performance. That's one of the lame performance in the history of all the dancehall performance. Yo, don't stop tag me now, man. Bumbo clap, bro.
I'm coming from nothing. That to a pair of shoes me never used to have. When Christmas Day, I hear one more day for Christmas shopping, one more day for my ball. Because I have a pair of shoes. I know me a full locker. I have the most things in the world right now, youth. I have ambition, believing on myself. Me attack and me I full of water again, youth and youth. Youth and youth. Me make it in a life, okay? I make it, youth. Put on the gun. No more killing, stop killing off on a black brother, on a black sister, on a alone and dead. Nobody in England, nah, dead. The thing the white people are dead around here. Youth, listen me, youth. Please, me I beg on the youth. Put on the gun, youth. Because I guess, you know, gun and a life in it, youth. When you shoot a man, you don't live your life. You go 30 years and 40 years of your life. Just imagine youth, you're 20 and 40 years of your life. Your life done, youth. You come out when you're 18 and the youth again, youth. Youth and youth be able to sell, put on the gun, friend upon the enemy. Friend on the enemy, youth. Telling the enemy, say love and peace, youth. On the black brother that, you know. On the black sister that, you know, youth is killing the work, youth. On another make it, youth. Another go to prison, dead, badness not peer. Brother, I live to see the whole of the bad man, them, the real bad man, them, brethren, and then dead, youth and youth. Youth and youth, and come here for dead. When I go at Devon House to marry down and I bring a woman at Devon House again in a youth and youth. I pay a funeral and coffee me, I see youth and youth, and I come here for dead youth. Put on the gun, put that one side, and make a deal with love and unity and more the people of Jamaica. PMP and Labour right have a peaceful election, hug up each other. You see me and just vote for no one, vote for a peace and love Jamaica. I can live like white people now, no man. Go stop kill yourself, youth and youth. Please, me I beg on the youth. I don't want no more killing youth and youth. I cry. Funny in the youth. On alone they didn't have touch and point at the motion. I cry for youth. Let me know. Tell the youth never stop kill themselves. Starting to fear every youth at Jamaica dead youth. Just love each other youth and just put on the gun. No more gun. Gun can't go to jail, gun at crosses. When you shoot a man, they gun laugh after your career life done. The gun on the life youth and you just put that one side. I'm a love on you know. Talia, big up yourself. I'm finish. I'm going to shout at Talia manners and thanks.
Love and honor, thank you for the moment, my brother. Honor you, thank you for the...
Yo, since when Jamaica police them have so much free time for lock up madman? Look on the amount of crime we are going to Jamaica and I focus on mother love. Yo, no need for like a mother love. Andrew Holness, you know, say you say the troops them for mother love. But all if you know all mother love until after the election and you still now win again. Me don't tell you already, you need to pack up and go on. You now win the next election. Andrew Holness, that is just one vote. Me don't see why you all on mother love. The world knows say mother love and madman. Me don't know since when Jamaicans start take mother love serious. All because it's an election. Mother love, you need if you got jail for 3 nights took her, you know here, you know I. Why not lock up Mother Love and left the video, man? Cause Mother Love don't know nothing about phone, you know. Only thing Mother Love know if do is start. That's all he can do is start. But Andrew, unless you know, say you send for Mother Love all because of the election. You just want to make a point and you just want to paint a bad picture on PNP. But you know, in the next election, Mother Love, you talk too much, but go out of jail for 3 blood cleat there and 3 bamba clot night. What is wrong with your boy? I'm going to tell you for a long time, say you must come off of the media and stop the talking. But yo, on the leg of Mother Love still, man. Mother Love a madman. Mother Love not do a thing. I just be a chatty man, just all night liquor and chat. Only need to leg of the man on the block.
Legal at the night, say I pay a life run. So, can't drive run. See me? Yo, Kingston, I do mother set a life in Iran. Look run, baby, my son crown. Mad dog, GLE, Jack Crown. Don't ride for singers, me touch a skin tone. Uptown, girl, I'm pretty and crown. Downtown.
And it assure with the literacy of the labor right government, bro. Like, they do not even know. These people are educated people. And they cannot even debate. They can't even hold a constructive debate. And when questions come at them, they cannot execute the words them in a manner so Jamaican people them can have an understand. They are so twisted. Just like what the young youth say. I don't think I'm gonna even correspond to what he just said a while ago because they're talking nonsense. And it's true. It's nonsense. So when me see me feel shit me and say, oh my God, why we can't have the people them who have education and have the brain and who willing to put Jamaica where it is. We now get the people national party. See? So you watched the debate last night, banger?
You know, so I never really get to watch it, but me about this man, me hear about the
brother, the PMP have them like a clown. Just a jog them like a clown, brother.
Bad man,
these bumbuckle.
A PMP take over the whole place again, you know. A PMP party, you know. Yeah,
brother,
man.
Mr. Me can't believe. See, I saw. But bro, me I look for better. Even when them ask the question about the education system.
Yo, me no cut you still in a judge as a general, you know, but you want know. Me I hear some people that talk say, boy, Andrew no make film people them go to school out of youth.
Alright.
Him not mix with not Jamaican people.
But well I know where Andrew Holness get him education from. Who influence? Who the Michael Manley is the one that ensure that Andrew Holness can have a proper education. Just remember that. The People's National Party. So that's why sometimes guess what? They got to go. Bumbo clot.
Yeah,
they
got to go.
Yeah, man. They got to go, man. The principal said, they got to go.
Right now.
They have to leave.
Listen, one more thing before. One thing. You remember how Andrew Holness go on with the traffic goer in something? You remember how Andrew Holness ride the traffic goer something with Porsche them? Eh?
Hey, if some of other people to understand what the bell represents, you know, get brainwashing.
What are them talking about slave master? Them see.
Hold on there. You know what a bell for? A bell is for slave master, you know.
I tell you.
So we the bell them when it's slave. Well, I want the blood clot on the feel like. You know the history, boy. You know what the bell represents?
Every slave master plantation have a big bell where I then take and control the slave them.
Alright, one thing goes to ring that every slave
anyway then there.
Every slave of in a shackle and train.
And when they have the sim, they have the like them when the bell ring 2 times.
What make you believe them use it in a school? What make you believe them use bell in a school? For control. That's what the bell means, control. You're a slave.
I just go say it away.
Yes, again, we're not going to talk about this government. This government actually bring nothing good to Jamaica. All them bring is pain and suffering. And I'm saying it. Just like Miss make a video yesterday.
And then kill all loophole poor people, Mario. All loophole them poor people.
Alright. As a Prime Minister, Bang, I'm gonna ask you a question. As a Prime Minister, what's your job?
If you serve the people, them brother.
Serve the people, and what people?
What do you mean by what?
Just answer the question. What people? That's the reason why I'm asking you. What people?
No, most of the people them you have to serve the people. Of course, I understand the people.
All the people live in Jamaica, right?
People, yes, man, I understand.
All right. Mr. The Prime Minister put out a video. I address in party, the Labour Party, and the campaign. I'm going to show you so we don't have a real government. A Prime Minister could have secured everybody from the Labour to the PNP party come out and give a statement and say, listen to me, on this campaign I'm sending this message to the PNP and the Labour right as your Prime Minister of Jamaica. Do not travel on the windows of the vehicle them in the motorcade. The man send a message to the Labour right party them alone. The man say, I'm telling you my follower Labour right people. My Labour rights, my people, cause we don't do things chaka around here. Like the other rest. No, Prime Minister. Your job as a Prime Minister is to secure every citizen, whether they're PNP or Labour right in Jamaica. So when you make that video and make a call, you need to track